Okay, let's start again. Today we'll start with page number 54. Today we're going to talk about pronouns. What is the meaning of pronouns? Today we have three pronouns: him, her, them. Him we use for boys, her we use for girls, them we use for both of the genders together. For example, if you're talking about boys and girls together. So why we use pronouns? Read here. These are pronouns that we use to replace people, places, or things to make sentences shorter and clearer. You don't have to repeat the name again and again. For example, if you say Sadia is a girl, you cannot say Sadia goes to school, Sadia has good friends, Sadia is good at studies. No, you don't have to repeat her name again and again. You use the word she, or you can use her. Okay, so these are kind of pronouns. Let's see here. Look at the next one. Please look at the next slide. On the next slide, him is why we use him? Him is a third person for boys if they are singular, for singular, okay? Third person for a boy, okay? We use here her as a third person for this is singular. You don't have to use for plural, okay? If there is a one girl, you say one boy, you can say him. If there is a singular girl, you can say her. Yes, and here you have plurals. That is, you can use for girls and boys. Now see how you use this in your book. Now please, I want you to go to your book, page number. Let me open a book page. Okay, now here is your book. Okay, please write date first of all. Today is 13th of December 21. Okay, now see here. Read and listen to the conversation. The words in red are pronouns. Why do we use pronouns? Do you notice about the pronouns? Them. Okay, why we use pronouns? As I told you that instead of using the words again and again, we use pronouns. Okay, for word, we use pronouns for places to describe places, comma, names, and things. You should not repeat names again and again for the things. So this is why we use pronouns. I can see a girl. I can see her. So instead of using girl again, we use what? Her. So you can circle this one. So why we use her here on the place of a girl? I can see a boy. So instead of boy, we used him. I can see a bird. Okay, now bird is what? It. For bird, we use it. This is why we use here. See here, for a boy, you use him. For it, you use for birds, or maybe you can, I can see a table. I can see it too. So you can talk about table. You can talk about things that do not breathe. Okay, look here. I can see two girls. So for girls, they use them. So the question is here, what do you notice about the pronoun them? So what did we notice? We noticed that we can use them for both boys, girls, or even for birds. See, even for animals, even for places, or even for things, you can use them. Okay. Play a game, say something that you can see. Your partner must answer, I can't see too. Okay, or I can see too. Make sure your partner say the correct pronunciation. Okay, so for this, we have an exercise. We will do that exercise. Now see here, before going to the exercise, okay, we'll go to the exercise and you will solve those things with me. So did you understand? Now this lesson was talking about pronouns. Let me repeat again. What are pronouns? We use pronouns in the on. See what was given here in your okay. So here is what pronouns. We use pronouns